What up, world? It's your boy. And tonight we're going to test out a new product, iRig 2. Shout out to DJ Bloodbath for letting me know about this. Basically, we're going to get our output from the mixer plugged up into my phone or tablet to give a better sound. Because with my previous promo videos, I would get all the outside sounds as well as people performing, doing karaoke. So tonight we're going to try it out. So let's go ahead and hook it up. Okay, so what we're going to do is the iRig right here. This part's going to go into my headphone jack on my phone, and we're going to take the headphone output stereo and we're going to plug it in on this end right here. And also, just so you know, it has a headphone jack so you can take a listen to make sure the levels are all right. So we're going to try to do this with one hand. All right. So that's secure, and we're going to plug this into my phone, and we'll see how it works tonight.
I'm gonna lay it out to you. Baby, I'll do what I gotta do. If I try to spend some time with you to make you happy, would you feel better? And if I could, with you I would be forever, forever in love. So making love.
All right, so it's the morning, afternoon after, and I've been able to listen to the output that the iRig 2 gave to my situation, and it is amazing. I mean, Bloodbath, I owe you one. I really do. But I'm definitely going to utilize, and there's going to be a link up here somewhere where you can listen to the promo videos that I've been posting without the iRig. Definitely a game changer for me and my system and future gig. So I'm gonna yeah, love it. Definitely gonna utilize this in more of my gigs and vlogs and everything. And if you don't have one, make sure you get one. If you need a link to it, I definitely will put a link in the description. So make sure you get one. Definitely need to have this in your gig bag. But till next time, I'm gonna take a nap because I got a gig tonight. So.
Subscribe to DJ Sutle.
See, you see that?
Subscribe to Sutle Bro. Subscribe to that Negro.